Practice part number 10. We're going to draw one half of this shape and dimension it. Then we're going to extrude it, and then we're going to mirror the other half. Then we're going to screenshot it to the portfolio. That's kind of crazy. What I did in my sheet over here was draw a line that bisected this little grid, vertical grid spacer into two equal parts. And so I'm actually going to draw a little line right here and just draw everything to the left side here. Okay, here we go. Mirroring. You can mirror. It's a pretty cool tool. So many things out there in the world have what's called bilateral symmetry, and you can achieve that in a lot of your designs by using the mirror feature, because you get a stereo image on the other side. And if you're wondering what a stereo image might be, well, look at your left hand and look at your right hand. They are stereo images of each other. They can never really be the same, but they're very much alike. Come back over to here, and then we'll use constraints and dimensions to make everything all right. This is really bad. Check out this one over here. This is called the vertical horizontal constraint. If you activate that and click a line, it makes it vertical or horizontal. You can do that to that and that. Okay, so now we're looking a little bit better real quick. Okay, this tall dimension over here is measured out to be 6. Enter. Whoa, that's bad. And then this one over here is 5.5. So we get our first fractional inch. This one right here is only a 0.5. This is very small. And is everything else cool now? Pretty much. This is a 2. And now I think everything else is cool. Let's double check this. Yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. That's supposed to be a full 1. Alright. So that's a lot to take in. 6, 5, 0.5, 1, 2. I don't know, do we gotta do this one too? Yes, we do. That is also a 2. There we go. It's going to give us a perfect result. 6, 5.5, 2, 1, 0.5, 2. This line we never really touched or did anything with. It's just resulting from us making sure every other one was fine. So if every other one is great, this one's got to be whatever it is. All right, finish the sketch. We're going to extrude this. And that's going to be only 3 this time. And then we'll be ready for the big win. So we got this. Now, under Create, down at the bottom, you have a thing called Mirror. Some of you might even have it right here. You're going to mirror. And this pops up over here. What do we want to mirror? The body, the feature, the component, the face. I think in this case we want to do the feature. And our feature, we could select it down here. We could select it right here. Is the whole thing we just made. And then your mirror plane, what is that? Well, it's this little face right here. And you click OK, and it's game over. Okay. Now, you can see that there's a line between here. So maybe that bugs you, and you won't be able to sleep tonight because this line, you know that there's a seam right there that is a face that's connecting the two of these things. Well, here's what you do, folks. Click this, and click this, and say OK. Now it's all one thing. And I think even over here it changes into one body. So a moment ago, there was 2 bodies. We combined them, and now they're one body. And that's the easiest thing to do, right? Screenshot it, put it in your portfolio. You just mirrored.